Today's slang word literally means empty throat. But why? In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have boşboğaz. Boşboğaz. Boşboğaz is blabbermouth, big mouth, talkative, or a windbag. Let's see how we can use those in some phrases first and then sentences. Phrases first. A total blabbermouth, talkative person, to be indiscreet, chatty. Boşboğazın biri, like one of the blabbermouths. Like this is literal translation, but it's total blabbermouth. Boşboğaz insan, talkative person, not in a nice way. Remember, this is slang word. You cannot say this one is talkative person and mean something nice. Okay, it's mostly sarcasm. Boşboğaz olmaq, to be indiscreet, chatty. Again, not in a nice way. Let's use some sentences to understand how we can use it better. Ona heç ne deme. O boşboğazın biridir. Don't tell her anything. She's a total blabbermouth. Remember, o, he or she. I chose she here. Ona, to her, means heç ne, nothing, anything. Deme, don't tell. O, he or she. Boşboğazın biridir. A total blabbermouth. Now, literal translation is one of the blabbermouth, but the actual meaning, a total blabbermouth. Let's use another sentence. Boşboğazlıq etmə. Don't talk nonsense, or stop being a windbag. See how did I pronounce? You write here, boşboğazlıq etmə. I said, boşboğazlıq etmə. Lık turned into dığ, or dığ, or lığ. Boşboğazlıq, boşboğazlıq, boşboğazdığ, boşboğazdığ. You got the idea how it changed when you speak. So, that was my way of using boşboğaz, today's slang words. Remember, Saturdays are for slang words in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. Let's see what I've got for you. If it's a secret, don't tell it boşboğaz. Instead, tell a wall instead. This is true. Not everyone can keep the secret, so watch out for boşboğaz. All right? Come back tomorrow to finish the week with a brand new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani language, culture overall better and deeper. Cheers.